Hi. Okay, power versus force. If you have a very good why and if you have a great way of explaining to people, if you have purpose, then there is always force. And if you have some sense of yourself and if you have some basic skills in life, which are simple like communication, commitment, loyalty, which are mostly emotional and psychological, they are not really technical skills. Technical skills help, it helps to have a skill. I can really write good copy if I want to. I know that I will earn a living out of writing copy if I had to, if there was nothing else in the world. Or I can educate, right? I can be a good teacher. If there's nothing more, I have the skill to educate. So there are two skills that I have, which are very much my own, which nobody can take away from me. So that's good to have. But if there was no emotion to it, if there's no psychology to it, then this will just be a very surface level thing. So that is something that you have to constantly work on, and once you have it, you have kind of like a inner power that you can then project in the world and create something bigger. And a lot of people actually live from here. I keep saying this. They live from their heads, and what happens is that head reality does not match the real life, and that is very easy to kind of look at, right? These are people who are not operating from any kind of power; they're operating from force. So in their head, they have made it, but in real life, it doesn't show. Nothing shows, and that is, I think, one of my interview techniques now. Whether it is for a job or for a date, it's the same. So in the headspace, there could be whatever, but in real life, it is reflecting. If it is not there, then you kind of know that, hey, there is a mismatch, and we are operating in this quest of force versus power, and always try to look for power and something which is inherent, which is internal, which is intrinsic, which is your own, which does not require a lot of, which is led by self, because you have your own whys, you have your own purpose, and you have your own version of reality, and that no one can take away from you. That comes from your life. And I keep saying this, the difference between us and AI, because hey, I work in AI in that sense, is AI cannot meditate. AI has no access to higher realms, which as a human you do. And the moment that happens and you kind of realize this, you realize, okay, here is this power that I have access to, and then there's this forced power that I have to use to be more powerful from my inside out. And as long as you kind of have the distinction correct, you will not fall for hubris. And find a lot of powerful people around you. It makes you a very good bunch. You're a very powerful bunch if that happens, and a bunch of powerful people can change the world. Always, that's the rule of life. Simple.